Bay East offers many member benefits that can be activated or accessed online. Education videos, housing statistics, and dues payments are just a few items available to you remotely. Let's start with the Bay East website. Members can update contact information such as home address, cell phone number, and email by visiting bayeast.org. Log in with your Paragon user ID and password. Once logged in, click on Pay My Bill on the top of the screen. From this screen, you can update your contact information and pay your dues installment. Members can access community information such as housing statistics, city contact information, and open house sign ordinances from the Community Information tab. Grab-and-go videos, webinars, and training videos are available under the Education tab. Supra offers remote troubleshooting for any eKey issues. They have Supra support, which is available 7 days a week from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. at 877-699-6787. You can also contact their support directly through the app. When contacting Supra support, agents will need their eKey serial number and 4-digit PIN number. The eKey serial number and number for Supra support can be accessed by clicking More on the bottom right side of the eKey app, then selecting About Key on the top right of the screen. We hope these tips help you so that you can continue to do business wherever you are.